Today, again, it is my privilege to recognize an outstanding educator, Mr. Beasley, as an ExCEL Award winner. Mr. Beasley is more than a math teacher. He's a leader both in and out of the classroom. In his classroom, students his experiences go beyond the numbers. They learn about confidence, perseverance, and the value of curiosity.
Being able to make math relevant to kids where they want to be in your class is just an amazing accomplishment in and of itself. But I hope you all realize how important this award is. I say it whenever I'm here. This is, kind of like the Academy Awards of teachers.
Mr. Beasley does an amazing job at connecting and making the classroom a great experience every day. I don't think there's been one day where I've left the classroom without a smile on my face or feeling good about myself.
WHAS 11 is so proud to say that Mr. Beasley, you are a 2025 ExCEL Award winner. Well, our partners at Miracle Playgrounds couldn't be here today, but they have so generously supported us with a $1,000 check for you to spend in your classroom.
And I use the word earned because it's a pet peeve of mine when people say that these awards are won. They are not won. You didn't enter your name into a hat. You didn't win a drawing. You show up every day for kids. You inspire kids. You make them laugh. You give them tough love. You earn their trust. You build their futures with them.
So to be here now, recognized for simply doing what I believe in, it reminds me why I show up. Not for applause, but to be the kind of example I needed when I was their age. You all's age. If even one student sees in me what's possible for them, then every ounce of my efforts has been worth it. Thank you.